Hi Nani, what's for breakfast?
Oh, today there's no bread, but I'm making you a very nice, healthy moong sprouted paratha, which is full of fiber. You will love it. So now we get started with the sprouted moong paratha. So first we add in the sprouted moong, which I had soaked earlier, and it has sprouted. So I'm going to add it to the jar. You can even put sprouted mixed lentils also, but I have currently taken only the green moong. So we put in a green chilli, is according to your taste. Finely diced ginger, about 1.5 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon diced garlic. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. A dash of haldi. 1 teaspoon jeera. Coriander leaves. Now we will grind it. We have ground this whole masala. We don't have to make it pasty. It has to be a little coarse. This is 1 bowl of wheat flour. We add about 2 heaped teaspoons of besan. 1 level teaspoon carom seeds. 1 onion which is finely diced. 2 teaspoons of oil. You can use any oil, but I have used mustard oil. And now we add the main ingredients, that is the sprouted moong paste. We'll just add a pinch of salt also here. Now we'll knead this into a nice dough. Adding little water as required. The dough has been kneaded nicely and it has been kept for resting for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now we are ready to roll out our parathas. Rolling out a thick paratha or a thinner paratha is up to you. You can even add sesame seeds to it. That is also a very good source of calcium. So this paratha is neither thick nor thin, but it's a complete meal by itself. Our pan is hot. While this is cooking, we'll roll out another paratha. We just add a little ghee. Flip it over. Add a little ghee. Paratha is nicely done, roasted from both the sides. Now we remove this. Now we put the other one. So here the paratha is done. It's nice and crispy. It's a full meal. You can have it as a meal. You can even have it a cup of tea. Instead of having biscuits, I think this is a better bet.
They look so delicious, Nani.
Yes, they are. I knew you would like them. They are very healthy and very delectable. So please have them with some curd and some pickle, and I will get you some butter.